Hello everyone, I am Dr. K.S. Wagh, Associate Professor, Department of Computer Engineering of AISSMS, Institute of Information Technology, Pune. Today I am going to explain collection framework of Java. What is a collection framework in Java? Data structure plays important role in any programming language, as we know, or any data structure is most important while writing the program. The collection of data structure worked in a Java, and that framework is called the collection framework in Java. The collection in Java is a framework that provides an architecture to store and manipulate the group of objects. Java collection can achieve all the operations that you perform on the data, such as searching, sorting, inserting, deletion, manipulation, or anything. Java collection means a single unit of objects. Java collection framework provides many interfaces such as set, list, queue, and dequeue. Okay, if you just see, these are all the data structures. And some of the classes such as array list, vector, linked list, priority queue, hash set, linked hash set, tree set, these are also the classes of data structures. Then what is a collection framework in Java? As we know, the framework is ready-made architecture, and with using their ready-made architecture, we represents different number of classes and its interfaces. Same here we are going to used in the Java as a collection framework. What is a collection framework? The collection framework represents a unified architecture for sorting and manipulating a group of objects or group of same type of objects. Actually, the collection framework has or it contains interfaces and its implementations, that is classes and algorithms. This is the simple hierarchy of collection framework. Iterable collection, nothing but the container, means the container contains different types of or same type of objects. And this, in a collection framework, there are three collections: list, queue, and set. In under the list, array list, linked list, vector, and stack is coming. Under the queue, dequeue and tqueue, priority queue and array queue. Under the set, hash set, linked hash set, sorted set, and tree set comes. Here, the interface is shown in a blue color, classes shown in a green color, implements shown in a dotted lines, and extends means inheritance shown in a dark lines. The collection framework consists of different collections such as collection of interfaces. It represents different types of collection such as set, list, and map. These interfaces form the basis of the framework. Then next is a general purpose implementation. Actually, there are different types of implementation: general purpose implementation, legacy implementation, special purpose implementations, concurrent implementations, and wrapper implementation. In special purpose implementation, primary implementations of the collection interfaces. Then legacy in implementations, the collection of classes from earlier release or old versions. Vector and hash tables were used for implementation of the collection interfaces. Then special purpose implementation designed for use in a special situation. These implementation display non-standard performance characteristics, uses restrictions, and behaviors. Concurrent implementation designed for highly concurrent use or parallel use. Then wrapper implementation add functionality such as synchronization to other implementations or before implementation means general purpose, legacy, then special purpose implementation and concurrency implementations. The collection framework also consists of convenience implementations, abstract implementations, algorithm, infrastructure, array utilities. In convenience implementation, high performance mini implementation of the collection interface. Then abstract implementations, partial implementations of the collection interface to facilitate custom implementations, algorithms, static methods that perform useful functions on collections such as sorting of list or etc. Then infrastructure interfaces that provide essential supports for the collection interfaces. Array utilities, utility functions for array of primitive types and reference objects, not strictly speaking, a part of the collection framework. This feature was added to the Java platform at the same time as the collections framework and release on some of the same infrastructure. What are the advantages of collection framework? It reduces programming efforts by providing data structures and algorithm to the programmer. It increases the performance by providing high performance implementation of data structures and algorithms because the various implementation of each interface are interchangeable. Programmer or programs can be tuned by switching implementations. Third advantage, provide interoperability between unrelated APIs or unlisted APIs by establishing a common language to pass collections back and forth. Another advantage reduces the effort required to learn API by requiring you to learn multiple ad hoc collection APIs or different APIs. Reduce the effort required to design and implementation of API, and then foster the software reuse or reusability of the code by providing standard interface for collections and algorithms with which to manipulate them or perform different operations. Thank you. Happy learning. All the best.